NASA cracks 7 years Mars Lake mystery. A long-running Martian mystery, a suspected lake hidden beneath miles of ice, now appears far less likely. A new radar analysis from NASA's Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter revisits the unusual 2018 signal detected by ESA's Mars Express, and the findings are surprising. Using a sharper, more powerful radar method, scientists finally obtained a clear view beneath Mars's south polar ice cap, and the evidence for an underground lake has largely evaporated. A stronger radar, a weaker signal. The debate began in 2018 when Marsus spotted an unusually bright radar reflection, 1.5 kilometers beneath Mars's south polar ice, a signature interpreted as a possible briny lake. To verify it, scientists turned to NASA's SHARED radar. For years it couldn't reach those depths until Gareth Morgan and Thon Putzig used a new, very large roll maneuver, rotating MRO 120 degrees to aim the antenna directly into the ice. SHARED had seen nothing at those depths for nearly 20 years. With the new maneuver, it finally did. But the return was faint, not bright, contradicting the 2018 result. A repeat pass over the neighboring region made the signal disappear entirely. Further undermining the original lake interpretation, Morgan said the lake idea inspired valuable research, but SHARED's deeper look makes a liquid water lake very hard to support. The new data doesn't end the debate, but it sharply weakens one of Mars's most talked about hints of subsurface water. If not water, then what? Observations show Mars's south pole is geologically complex, with craters, buried terrain, and patches that reflect radar differently based on their composition. Morgan and Putzig propose a simpler explanation for the 2018 lake signal. It may have come from an unusually smooth layer beneath the ice, possibly an ancient lava flow, capable of producing a bright reflection without invoking liquid water in one of the planet's coldest regions. The technique itself might be the real breakthrough. Even if the lake theory fades, the new radar technique is a major gain for Mars exploration. The Very Large Roll maneuver now allows MRO to search for buried ice, rock layers, and subsurface resources that could aid future human missions. One top target is Medusae Fossae, a huge equatorial formation with unusually weak radar returns. Some researchers think it's ash, while others suspect deep, ancient ice. If it is ice, Putzig noted, it would mean abundant water near the equator, the warmest, sunniest, and most practical region for astronauts to live and work. What comes next? MRO has orbited Mars since 2006, and its new ability to probe deeper could help revisit long-standing planetary mysteries. The original Mars Express signal isn't fully explained. The faint Shay-Rod return shows something unusual exists, just not liquid water. For now, the once tantalizing Martian lake is likely just dust or rock, but the technique that debunked it may be the one that reveals something far more significant in the future.